Hi Lasse, number one for you. Okay, this is the part on this one. I believe we changed the top head of the spindle and one of the head parts that was pretty bad condition, so we replaced that one. So we'll put this one on here, make sure it's on properly. So we fire that one up. So yeah, as you can see, obviously we've replaced the laser in here for you as well, and on some of these parts, you know, like I say, we have changed some of the cogs. Some of the cogs on your parts are really worn or busted or really loose, basically. So yeah, we have replaced these parts. So that's number one for you. Thank you very much.